Bless up.
Alright, keep that steady hand, big man. Recording?
They wish and they wish and they wish and they wish and they wishing on me. Yeah.
Woo! Ghost Gang Family. What is up with y'all boys? What is going on with y'all boys? Coming back at y'all with another video. I low-key fucked up that intro. I ain't gonna hold y'all. I low-key just fucked up that intro. Hey man, got my back, man. This 2 days back to back. You feel me? 2 days back to back, you know what I mean? I got the way spinning the day. Yeah, sure. Shout out to my brother. You did what I'm saying. Other reason why I came back to y'all with a video back to back like how I did, you did what I'm saying? Because me, as a lucky ass nigga, you know me, I'm always doing score on the Snkrs app. The Snkrs app love me. You feel me? I don't know what it is. Hopefully these Travis Scotts that come out on Saturday, I could, you know, snag me a pair on the drawing, cause the Snkrs out there fucking with the kid lately. I don't know what it is. I don't know if Nike been watching my videos and they like, oh shit, this nigga promoting the app. I don't know what it is. Like I said, man, yesterday, Jordan, Nike, whatever you wanna call them, they did a surprise drop on the Snkrs app. The Bred 11 is the most iconic Jordan out. Like, just period, point blank period. It's one of the most iconic, and say it is, it's one of the most iconic Jordan, point blank period, you feel me? That gotta be on Mount Rushmore of Jordans if you wanna, you know, put it in that sense. It shocked me, cause I was driving, and I was driving, you know, going to go get my hair cut. Like, I swear to God, as soon as I cut off the video, I uploaded the video to my computer, and I was driving my way downtown, you know what I'm saying? Walking fast, racing past, I'm homebound type shit. Hey, but look though, anyway, nah, I'll push it aside, but I was just driving on the way to get my hair cut, right? You know, I get a notification, so I just look. I never look at my notifications when I'm driving, especially like if it's like a Snkrs app notification. It was probably like reminding me of some shit that I say notify me for. So I'm just driving, and then that bitch say bling bling. I just look, for some reason I looked at my phone, and that bitch say Jordan Bred 11 drop. I was like, what the fuck? So I clicked on the so I was like, oh, that ain't December 14th. Clicked on that bit immediately. The next thing you know, I was like, what the hell? That bitch said 220 purchase. I was like, all right, bet, boom. Bing, bing, added it to my cart. That bitch said, wait in the line. I swear to God, like, I said about like 10 minutes later, it confirmed the purchase. Now, yeah, like I say, man, I'm a brand, like I say, man, I'm gonna try to go for these shoes, man. I'm gonna give it 100%. If I don't get them, I don't get them, man. You ain't getting no review from me. Try to bring y'all the, you know, the nice reviews, the nicer reviews, you know what I'm saying? Some quality reviews. I should be getting them sometime this week. I can't show y'all my address, but I just wanna show y'all that, you know what I'm saying? This shit legit, you feel me? Y'all already know I got the, damn, that thing ain't focused? All right, yeah, y'all already know I got the little shattered weak ass Bat Boys 3.0s. And you know, you got the Jordan 11 Retro up top, man. 19 hours ago, bit dog, November, get. Damn, she bad, hold on. Shit. And that dude was bad, what the fuck, you was cold, my bad. Damn, I'm looking out the window and shit. I don't know if that bitch can see me though, bro. I feel like she see me through my window or whatever, but. So wait, man, I got y'all with the Jordan 11, well, Bred 11 review. You know what I'm saying, I might do it on foot. If y'all niggas want it on foot, let's get 20 likes on this video, you did what I'm saying. Make sure y'all go check out my last video with the Travis Scotts if y'all wanna be informed. But those is dropping tomorrow, so if y'all ready for that drawing, y'all niggas better be up bright and early, 10 o'clock, bit dog, on a Saturday. Don't get too fucked up tonight, man. Make sure y'all niggas can wake up and actually get in this drawing. I know a lot of y'all young niggas want this shit, like, you feel me? So, and like I said, these shit's gonna sell out immediately. So you better be up, alert, ready to go, ready to put your raffle in. This shit gonna get crazy. If you guys like the video, hit that subscribe button. You dig what I'm saying, man? I'm doing this shit for the culture, strictly for the youth. You dig me? That's the only way to do it. It is the one and only MajorKixx.
Hate and say we changing.